I'm with my partner Julio. He's going to help me. My hair has been feeling a little bit thin. There's a process that he can explain that helps with thinning. It's called PRP, and we're going to be doing that now. So,
Yeah. So you probably heard of PRP. It's basically plasma or platelet rich plasma. So we're going to draw some blood from his arm today. We're going to centrifuge that blood, separate the red blood cells from the plasma, and then re-inject that plasma into his hair. Now this is going to work really well for where there are existing hair follicles. It will not work in a bald spot. So, it's not a miracle, but it does stimulate the hair follicle. So it will help the hair follicle that has been dormant for a while to reactivate and grow hair, and the hair follicle that is growing hair will make the hair thicker and stronger. So this is a great treatment. It can be done every 4 to 6 weeks. Multiple treatments work best than one treatment alone. We do as many treatments as really you need, but and then once you're done the treatments, then you could do a maintenance, a little less often. But usually we're looking at like anywhere from 3 to 6 treatments to get really a full head of hair, and where you have hair.
Exactly. So when I look like I'm 20,
Yeah.
and my hair is like looks like when I'm 20, you guys will know.
And it looks like a chia pet.
It's the PRP. Don't make fun of me.
All right, let's draw some blood.
All right, let's do it.
Gonna clean first with a little alcohol.
All right, guys, in addition to the procedure I'm undergoing now and the Botox that I did earlier, we also provide hormone optimization services. So we help people with low energy improve their energy levels via optimizing their hormones. So if you're in your 40s or 50s, or sometimes now even in the 30s it's happening, my hormone levels were very low in my early 40s. Come see us and we can help you out. And but we offer a full variety of services. The PRP for the hair is amazing. We also use PRP in facials as well. So downstairs we have aesthetics. We have an esthetician. We do a lot of different procedures, lasers.
Yeah, and this plasma, we're using it today for the hair, but we could use it, all over the face. We can mix it with filler. Works amazing under the eye for those dark circles. Plasma is an amazing product because what we're doing with the plasma is concentrating the growth factors that are already in your blood. And growth factors are basically what your body uses to heal a wound. So what we do is basically use those healing products to help basically stimulate collagen, stimulate the hair follicle for hair growth. We mix it with filler, and that helps increase the filler. So we add more volume. On the skin, it helps improve skin tone and texture. So when we have textural issues, maybe scar tissues from previous acne or uneven skin tone, sun damage, this is an amazing treatment that could be done either injected or done using a microneedling pen, it's a game changer.
Personally, the microneedling PRP, and it really did work. It's great. Very painless, by the way. I did not even feel the needle go in. So amazing. Now we have to spin the blood, right?
Yes, sir.
How long does the spinning take? 10, 12 minutes?
It depends what you want. So there's two things that we could get. We could get plasma, PRP plasma, platelet rich plasma.
Right.
A better option is platelet rich fibrin, and platelet rich fibrin is even more concentrated. It's a little thicker, and it has more concentrated growth factors. So the blood that I draw is the same, but how I spin it, the speed I spin it at, and the time that I spin it is different and very specific. So what happens when we draw blood, it's really important that the patient's well hydrated, because the better hydrated they are, the more likely I am to get a good quality PRF,
right.
Okay? Platelet rich fibrin. If I try to do platelet rich fibrin, which is a shorter time period, and I don't get anything, then I would spin again and get platelet rich plasma. Which is still good, but not as good as platelet-rich fibrin. So in every situation, we always want to use platelet-rich fibrin, but not every patient, because they're dehydrated or whatever, do I get a good quality PRF?
I'm worried. I forgot to drink a lot of water this morning.
What?
Yeah, I forgot. I know.
I only tell you every 100.
I forgot. The last time we did this, he made me pound a couple glasses of water.
That's always good.
And it literally.
But you had a good, look at that, nice, rich, thick blood. So we did 2 tubes of blood, and we're going to put this in our centrifuge today. Okay, so we got Brian's plasma, a really good dark red color. We could put these two directly opposite each other in the centrifuge and send it for a spin. Yes, sir. Liquid gold, baby.
Is plasma universal?
I can inject your plasma into my skin.
Inquisitive minds want to know.
All right. So we got 3 cc's product here. Just being the lawyer.
No, I don't feel anything. I don't ever complain. This is all my fault. That's what I tell myself.
We're done.
We're done? We're done. Oh, thank God. Oh, dude, thank you.
All right, so we finished Brian's plasma treatment today. We were able to do PRF on him. So we drew his blood, centrifuged it, and then injected that liquid gold into his scalp to help regrow that hair. You should start seeing some results in a couple months, but we recommend repeating the treatment in 4 to 6 weeks.
Awesome. Thank you. And when you guys see me with my full head of hair, just remember, it was the PRF.
That's it.